Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Eva Louise, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. But before we go, I just want to tell you guys, my skin looks so bad. I'm outside, by the way, outside my room. So let's just get into there. So obviously first we walk into my room. Don't mind that. It was there when we moved in. But you walk into my room. Here is my bedroom. So me. There's me again. I'm just gonna close it. And on this first wall, when you walk into your right or your left, depend how you come in. If you come in backwards, it's gonna be on your right. I just have a light switch just to turn my fan on and off, and I have a ceiling fan right there. But yeah. And this wall is blank with some patches on it because there were some holes. But when I film, sometimes I have a backdrop, which is just like some sheets. But you know, it's what you gotta do. And then next to that wall, I have my little vanity area where I do my makeup in the morning because I'm ugly. No, but yeah. I have my cup from my mom's wedding as a bridesmaid's gift. So I have this long cord thingy, and I have my old phone plugged in, and I have my twinkle lights plugged in, and I usually have my charger plugged in for my phone, and I use this as a nightstand because I can, and I listen to Disney music at night because I can't sleep for crap. And my little vanity, hey, okay, but anyways, my little vanity, I have my makeup, some eyelashes, my James Charles palette. I'll do a vanity tour if you guys like. It can be a possibility. And I just have like my makeup set up. I have two mirrors, my mom's mirror, my mirror. Oh, they're mirrors. And then the mirror on the vanity. And on the vanity mirror, I have some pictures from my mom's wedding. And a little picture of me when I was, I don't know how old. 10 years old. And then I just have some necklaces hanging there. And then I have the wall. This wall is not finished with these gold things. Gold paint thingy. And I don't think it's ever going to get done because I'll probably be going to college by the time it gets done. So we're not going to finish it. I was thinking of just painting it pink again. But I have twinkle lights hanging from it and some more pictures from my mama's wedding. Ugh. Girl. No. Alright, it doesn't want to focus. That's okay. But yeah, I just have some twinkle lights. Just don't mind that part of the wall done and then this not done. But yeah. And then I have my lovely, lovely bed. Yeah. Let's get that shot right there. Ooh, okay. On my bed, I have a tapestry I got for Christmas. I have my sister's old comforter and like a quilt thing. And then my pillows are underneath with my sheets and stuff. And then my pillows, these are pillowcases except for this one. This one is from my mom's old bed thingy, whatever. But all these are pillowcases with old couch pillows. And I have quackers here. My cousin left her duck, sadly. We got it for her for Easter. And then I have my sloth, and he has a missing eye because a dog chewed it off. And then I have my little doggy that my mom got me, well, I got myself, because I'm a lonely person who wants to have a boyfriend. But, you know, it's okay. I don't need one. Then I have my nightstand. And on my nightstand, I just have a lamp. My initial, and the lights up. Cute, right? Broadway. Love that. Ooh, yes. I have a cute little glass bunny. I have a succulent. I have some lotion, some pens, a picture frame, a wax warmer to make my room smell delicious, and a fan. And then I also have this nightstand, and it's glass and it's cute, and my mom got it from Ross because Ross is the bomb, amazing store, the best store out there, cheapest store. Yeah, it's just amazing. And then right above I have Marilyn Monroe, and I love Marilyn Monroe. if you guys saw my first video, told you guys who my idols were. My aunt gave me this. And then I just have a wall blank down here, and then my window with the curtain over it. And then I have another power bar, and I have my school laptop plugged in and all this stuff plugged in. Then I have a fan because I have to sleep with noise in my room, and my room has to be cold in here because I can't sleep without it. And then I usually have this bouncy chair out, but I decided to put it away so I have some more room in my room. And then I just have my backpacks. And then Audrey Hepburn, my other idol, and my aunt also got me this picture, so I have her right here on this blank wall. And then we come to this wall, and it has a giant mirror. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Yes, a big mirror. And on top of the mirror, I have a little doggy my brother got me. I have a picture of Marilyn Monroe, my dad's brother, which is my uncle. He got me a snowman my brother painted me. Another picture of Marilyn Monroe that my uncle got me. And then I have me and my sister when we were little. That's me. Look at, ooh, that double chin's still there. And then my sister, her eyes are freaking gorgeous. I wish I had colored eyes, but yeah. And then I have a cape, and it's Harley Quinn. My little brother got it for me at Six Flags while I was going on rides. And then I just have some stuff back there, but you know, no one cares about that. Again, my ginormous mirror. Love it. And then finally, behind my door, it is my closet. So if you guys want a closet tour, comment down below. If you guys want a vanity tour, also comment down below. But on my closet, I have a mirror that I got from Walmart. I actually got it from my sister, but you can get it from Walmart. I got these lips. They're like a mirror, and it's like stick-on. And I don't know where my mom got those. She just got them for me. And then I have these lights. They light up. There we go. They light up. And I just have a picture of my mom when she was young. I have a picture of my little brother. That's in the back of my phone case as well. A Polaroid of me and my friends. A picture of me and my sister in the bathtub. Don't worry, it's not showing anything. This is from Chuck E. Cheese, me and my stepsister. Well, now sister. I have this pictures of me, my mom, and my brother. A picture of my sister and my little brother. And a picture of me in 2014. And then I have my name that my mom made. And also right above my door, I have my cross, and it glows in the dark. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And if you guys would like to see a closet tour or vanity tour, please comment down below. I want to see. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. That would be down in the description box below. And yeah, I love y'all and hope to see you guys next time, and bye.